everyone, welcome to Northern Viking Explorer. If you are new to this channel, it is all about travel, exploring, and discovery, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So today, Andrea and I have arrived in Ketchikan, Alaska on our Alaska cruise, and we're going to be taking you on the free downtown walking tour. There's 36 points of interest, so let's get right into it. So we picked up our map here at Sockeye Sam's. It's a gift store right next to all the cruise ships. You can head on inside and ask for one. They're also available in several other stores in this area as well. I'll put a link below in the description if you do want to download the map ahead of time.
So we picked up the free map for the walking tour. It's the same tour that you'll see a lot of people selling, but you can get one of these for free and walk it yourself. We're going to do the downtown walking tour and go and find all the places that are listed in the map.
So taking a look in our walking tour brochure, the first thing we're looking for is the Ketchikan Visitors Bureau. This brochure also has a whole bunch of information on each stop. Here's the Ketchikan Visitors Bureau, but number 2, hey, that's a really cool duck boat. That would be a great thing. But number 2 is the Welcome Arch here in Ketchikan. Welcome to Alaska's first city, the salmon capital of the world.
Number 3 is the Yates Memorial Hospital, built in 1905. And right next door is number 4, the St. John's Church, built in 1902, and it is the oldest church building in Ketchikan.
Nearby, you're going to find the Whale Park as well as the Chief Cayenne Totem Pole. Have a look at this totem pole. Wow, those carvings are amazing. A little further down the street, you're going to find the Chief Johnson Totem Pole. This is number 6 on your walking tour. While you're here, make sure to stop in some of the great vantage points of the Ketchikan Creek. It's really cool. The rapids are going by. As well, you might be able to spot a salmon or two. It is really beautiful.
Now we are heading over to number 7 on our list. It is the Tongass Historical Museum. And then we're going to number 8, the Grant Street Trestle. You can drive across this wooden road.
Next up is the Water Warehouse and Creek Overlook. You can see Andrea's running ahead of me there, and this is a great vantage point as well of the Ketchikan Creek. It's really beautiful.
Number 10 is the Fish Ladder. So we're gonna walk down here and take a peek to see what this fish ladder is all about. Now they say this is built to help the salmon swim upstream against all the rapids.
Number 11 is the Harris Street Bridge. It's a steel bridge over the Ketchikan Creek, and you can see there's people down there just hanging out, skipping rocks. It's a great place to visit. It says, drop a coin, make a wish, you will be happy, a boy can fish. There you go, little guy. Hope you catch some salmon. Ketchikan Creek.
Here we are.
This is number 12 on your list. And they say in the summertime you should really look for spawning salmon.
Hey, if you're visiting Ketchikan with your kids, they have a skate park here, or maybe you like to skate. You can come in here and skateboard for free. Number 13 is the hatchery. You can peek through here and see the tiny little salmon. Really cool.
Now we are at number 14, City Park. This is a lovely park with a nice pathway, and I should note there's also public washrooms here if you need to use the facilities. Now to get to number 15, we will need to go across this bridge. We're actually passing another tour group at the moment. Their guide is giving them some additional information about the area, which is a really cool thing to do. But I have to say, this area is gorgeous. It's very green, very lush. It's a very lovely park to visit.
Yeah, and another great place to see if you can spot salmon in the Ketchikan Creek. Number 15 is the Totem Heritage Center, and it's right across that bridge. There's all sorts of stuff here, as well as some more totem poles. These carvings are truly amazing. While you're here, we did notice there's a free shuttle as well to downtown, so if you're getting tired, you can try and grab that. maybe check it out online to see if you can find it. Hey, number 16 is the St. Elizabeth's Church, and if you look closely, the Ketchikan mortuary is in the basement.
Now we are headed to number 17, the Ketchikan Indian Community. We are beginning now to head back towards the pier, and right here is an IGA, which is super helpful if you want some groceries or some items you may need to pick up.
Number 18 is the Sun Raven Totem Pole. You're going to find that a little bit further up the road. Another great totem pole, cool carving to look at. And from there, you're going to find number 19, Thomas Street. This is kind of a wooden boardwalk pier area. You can see there's some remnants of some old piers that have fallen down. And then you're going to find the Thomas Basin viewing platform. And we're back towards the ships here. There's a great view of the marina, fishermen coming and going. And then you can see the Island Princess way off in the distance. And there's a new ship there, a Holland America ship as well. So another ship is docked there. Stedman Street Bridge. This is the next one on our list, number 21. Great place if you want to do some fishing. You can rent fishing poles just around the corner. I'll show you where you can do that in a moment. But cool place to hang out, catch some fish, have some Alaskan fun.
On the other side of the bridge is number 22, the Bayside Hotel. It was built in 1927 for the fishermen and the cannery workers. Now I have to confess, this walking tour has turned into a bit of a scavenger hunt for us. I think we've had a lot of fun. Would you say, Ken?
Yeah, it's been a ton of fun, but some of them are actually a little tricky to find, but we're pushing through. Hey, another Ketchikan duck tour boat. Great thing to do here in Ketchikan as well. But number 23 is Creek Street. This is probably one of the most famous spots here in Ketchikan. Make sure you check it out. Great shopping, cool boardwalk to look at right next to the Ketchikan Creek. What's this, Andrea?
This is the infamous Dolly house. It's famous for being a brothel. So
Yeah.
Can we talk about fishing?
Yeah, we'll talk about fishing. $10 if you want a tour of that. That's number 24. Fishing, tackle, and rod rental is right next to it. They'll take care of lures, licensing, everything right here. You can rent them from them next to Dolly's house. This area in Creek Street has tons of shopping and really cool kind of architecture to look at. There's all sorts of stores in here to check out.
You could spend lots of time shopping here in Creek Street. There's a lot of things from nice home decor type items, or you can head into the opal shop where you can check out opals, gold, and all sorts of cool carvings that have a very, very Alaskan type feel to it. It's very interesting in here.
The other thing, if you are into golden nuggets, they've got Alaska's largest gold nugget selection right here in Alaska Silver. You head on in here. There must be a lot of people buying golden nuggets because it's really busy. Hey, I'm going to sing for you the Alaska flag song.
No, you're not singing. No.
Okay, I'm not singing. DM me if you want me to sing it for you. Just kidding. Don't DM.
No, trust me on this. He's not singing it for
I won't sing it for you. You can get yourself ulu knives in here as well. These ones seem to be really high-end. They were a lot more expensive. So if you're looking for a high-end ulu knife, you can find them here as well. Hey, the other thing, if you want to send home crab legs, halibut, salmon, they will ship the seafood home for you right here as well on Creek Street. Make sure you spend the $3 and take the tram up to the Cape Fox Lodge. It's really cool and really cheap. You can get some great views from up there.
This tram runs right from Creek Street all the way up to Cape Fox Lodge. We only paid $3 a person. We paid the fellow some cash. It was a nice ride up, and the view is amazing from up here.
Yeah, amazing views. And I think if you have little kids especially, they'd love this. It's really calm and smooth, and it takes you up there. Great views of some of the cruise ships from up there as well. Again, you can see the Princess ship there on the left, the Holland America one in the middle, and way off on the right, the tail of the Joy. I guess it's not a tail of a ship, but the aft of the ship. And when you get up here, they've got some taxidermied animals. You can see there's a bear up here as well.
There's a nice restaurant at the front overlooking the ocean.
And it is a lodge, so it's like a hotel as well. Plus there's a whole bunch of totem poles up here as well for you to have a look at. And if you don't want to take the tram, you can take the Married Man's Trail. Woo! It's not that fast. That's fast forward, by the way.
All right, so back on track with our walking tour. We are at number 25. It is the footbridge. It is the access and the other way to get into Creek Street. It's also a great place to look down at the Ketchikan Creek again.
Number 26 is the Ketchikan Daily News. It's just down the road. And number 27, right next to it, is Edmund Street. And it is not a street, it is stairs. But we are on this little scavenger hunt, so we'd better head up them.
I don't know if this is worth it. It's a lot of stairs.
Okay, if you want to do this, I recommend don't use the elevators on the cruise ship. Start training. You better take the stairs to the buffet every day. Woo!
Or don't go to the buffet.
Yeah. Woo!
And now go back down. So if you want to work out in Ketchikan, go run the Edmund Street stairs a few times.
I did it! I made it!
And number 28 is Main and Dock Street. It is the entrance to the Ketchikan Business District. Number 29 is the former location to the Ketchikan Fire Department. And number 30 is the Ketchikan Area Art and Humanities Council.
Right next to that, you're going to find number 31, the Redmen Lodge, Ketchikan's first fraternal organization. And up on the hill, you're going to find number 32, the Burkhart de Brel House. Now, my favorite one is the Knob Hill Overlook. There are some great views from here of the cruise ship. You can see the Princess ship off in the distance, and there's the Norwegian Joy. Bring your camera up here because there are some amazing shots.
Now, number 34 is the Front Street Stairway. It's built in 1902, and it is my favorite of the stairways because we're only going down these stairs and not going up. And it's gonna take us right to number 35, the tunnel. And where are we headed to last, Ken?
The last one is Eagle Park across from the tunnel, and this one has a beautiful carving of an eagle. It is really neat.
So we just finished our walk of the tour of historic downtown Ketchikan, and it took us 3 hours. That wasn't any shopping, but it was stopping to take photos and look around. It was a lot of fun, and I would highly recommend it, but make sure you practice your stairs first.